In this video, I'm going to show you how to add zero in front of phone numbers in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, when we input a specific number in here, let's say, as you can see in here, this is a phone number with a zero in front of it. However, when we click enter, the zero will automatically be removed as this is a default function in the system of Google Sheets. Let's try with another number again. When I click enter, as you can see, the zero goes away. So the best way to fix this is to set these cells as a plain text. So to do that, the first thing that you would like to do is to simply select and highlight the cells that you would like to add your numbers to. After selecting and highlighting, in the menu navigation, simply navigate to Format, and in Format, go to Number. In Number, navigate to Plain Text. After setting the cells for plain text, we can now add zeros to those numbers. So let's try again. So as you can see in here, I added numbers with zero in front, yet the numbers did not remove the zero when I click enter. That's because the cells are now set to plain text. And that's about it. That's how to add zero in front of phone numbers in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.